In this video, you're gonna see how to get started with developing your own Starcraft II bot. This machine is absolutely fresh. So first what I need to do is install in each of the software prerequisites. If you already have any of these software prerequisites, you can skip installation. One of the prerequisites is the game itself. So I'm going to official Starcraft II website, downloading installer, running it. I need to select the language. Yes, here. Click continue and then click continue here. Now I need to authenticate with my Blizzard account. And I need to start install. I don't need to locate anything because I don't have any Blizzard software installed already. Okay, while the game is being installed, I'm gonna start installing other components. And first of them will be Choco. It's a kind of special component that will streamline installing all the other components. So I'm installing Choco through PowerShell console here. Just copy paste to PowerShell console and run. When Choco is installed, we can use it for installing other things, for example, Visual Studio Community. Since Visual Studio Community is installed for quite a long time, I will use this time and try to open the game. Now we see that, yeah, the game is playable, so it's runnable, which means that the code that we're gonna develop with you, it will be able to run this game, and that's fine. Next component is Git, because we will have to clone some repositories from GitHub. And one more component is CMake. Now we just create a directory where we will have our code repositories on this machine. So now I had to close console and start it again, because now we have all the prerequisites installed, and now we start the most interesting parts. It's time to look at guidance that Blizzard is providing. So we're opening the directory that we just created, and we're opening the website, the guidance from Blizzard, and then we run these commands. We cloned a repository, we created a build directory, and now we unpack the source code. Now we're starting a Visual Studio solution. Here I'm gonna select always use, so we don't have to select all the time. I clicked that I don't need to authenticate. You can do the same. Now when we have this project, Visual Studio project in front of us, we can find this file where we need to put the code. So we copy the code from the Blizzard guidance and paste it here. Right click, set it as startup project, and now we click F5 on a keyboard, which will run the application that we just prepared. So this application will start the game itself. It will add custom bot, and then it will start the simulation. In this simulation, you can see that the bot is doing absolutely nothing. So command center doesn't build anything, and of course we lose at the end. Now, in the second tutorial that Blizzard is providing, the bot is a bit smarter, so we're gonna try that one. We paste in our code again, we run F5. Let's see what happens. Surprisingly, with we can see that it does absolutely the same, means nothing. That's a bit strange because in the code we can see that it should build CVs each time when command center is available, but it doesn't do it. And the reason is that there is an issue. There is some incompatibility probably between the client that Blizzard is providing and the current version of the game. I'm going to show you how you can anyway fix this issue. So you need to copy this code into particular files, as you can see on the screen. One file is ready. That's the second one. So we need to copy this line. Here we go. Now I switch and run F5 again. And now we can see that the software works as it should. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you with getting started with development.